Good morning, this is Sham. This is the continuing class of my topic, which is tandoor and its cooking techniques. After knowing different types of tandoori preparations, veg and non-vegetarian, tandoori products are always given along with some accompaniments. There are different types of salads which is given along with the different types of tandoori preparations. General accompaniments which are given along with tandoori preparations are like lacha, onion, cucumber salad, masala pyaj is there. We also give some lemon veggies along with that. There are different types of chutneys also given along with different types of tandoori preparation. Some famous chutneys which are served along with tandoori dishes are mint chutney, garlic chutney, tomato chutney, coriander chutney. And it is not only the thing, some people also like pickle along with that, and in some restaurant it is the tradition to give pickles along with the tandoori preparation. In some restaurants there are some papad is also given along with that. Not only the tandoori kebabs, tandoori breads have also made a special place in the food industry. Some famous tandoori breads are rotis. It is basically a whole wheat bread which is cooked in tandoor. The next one is naan. Naan in the Indian subcontinent usually refers to a specific kind of thick flat bread. Generally, it is resembles like a pita, and like pita bread, it is usually leavened with a yeast or a bread starter. Naan is cooked in a tandoor from tandoori cooking. Taken. Its name is taken by tandoori naan. The next one is the lacha paratha. Lacha paratha or a lachedar paratha is popular paratha variety from North India, made from whole wheat flour. It is also known as a parat wala paratha in Punjab. The parat means layers, and layer can be seen on paratha when it gets cooked. In South Indian counterpart is also parota, which is made from all-purpose flour and egg, but it is not cooked in tandoor. The next one is the misi roti. It is a chickpea flour flat bread which is specialty of Punjabi cuisine, mostly made during the winters in tandoor. It is slaughtered with a good dose of desi ghee before serving and goes well with the Indian curries. The next one is the kulcha. It is popular Indian flat bread from the North India, especially in the Punjab. There are famous breads like Amritsari kulcha. These kulchas are generally stuffed with different types of stuffings. The famous kulcha is paneer kulcha and the aloo kulcha. In conclusion, it is known that tandoor food is most accepted by many restaurants because it's a fat-free and flavorful product, and due to its fat-free quality, it is considered as a healthy and safe product. Tandoor is also used as a medium of cooking, mostly for appetizers and the breads. Thank you.